Hey, it's Keith Weinhold here. Let me tell you about a special live in-person event coming up. It is February 16th to 18th, 2022 in Birmingham, Alabama. I was the kickoff speaker at the last Spartan Summit. For this next one, it is Daymond John from Shark Tank. Although I do feel pretty comfortable in my real estate knowledge compared to Daymond, I think that Daymond's going to bring a new element. He's going to be able to bring the entrepreneurial angle to real estate investing, and you're going to get a lot of great lessons from him there. Yeah, Daymond has a lot of great lessons he learned, particularly from him launching the popular hip-hop clothing apparel brand FUBU in New York City in the 1990s. So come out and attend the Spartan Summit in person. See, Alabama has investor-advantaged real estate markets that you would want to visit anyway, like Huntsville, Alabama, and like Birmingham, Alabama itself, where the event is taking place. I recently took a real estate field trip there myself. And plus, hey, you might snag a front row seat for Shark Tank's Daymond John, and tickets are only a few $100s. You can learn from Daymond and other industry experts on real estate, tax strategy, lending, and entrepreneurship, and you are also going to get a tour, yes, a live in-person physical tour of tangible turnkey property in growing Alabama markets. That's just something that you'd want to do anyway, plus get to see a Shark Tank shark. Again, it's coming February 16th to 18th, 2022 at the Forum Theater in Birmingham, Alabama. Grab your ticket at SpartanInvest.com right now. You had me as the kickoff speaker at the last Spartan Summit. This next one is headlined by Daymond John of Shark Tank. And hey, maybe if you snag a front row seat, you could show Daymond your deal and hope he doesn't say, "I'm out," right? Is that the risk that you take from sitting up front this time? Hey, and one of Daymond and I's favorite books is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So you know that you're going to get some good mindset lessons. I think that you're going to be glad that you went to this one. Again, it is February 16th to 18th, 2022 in Birmingham, Alabama. Get started at SpartanInvest.com.